Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to start the human geography of Tamil Nadu. Already we learned the many topics and this topic surface water resource, groundwater resource, water resource management and the last topic mineral resource. So above the topic we are going to see today online class. The first topic, surface water resources. The total surface water potential of the states is about, here the state is mentioned by our Tamil Nadu, nearly 24,864 MCM. The MCM word, it's expansion word, million cubic meters of waters are available. There are 17 major river basins in the state with 81 reservoirs and 41,262 tanks. Most of the surface water has already been tapped, primarily for irrigation, where water use is the largest. An area of 24 lakhs hectares of land are irrigated by surface water through the major, medium and minor scheme. The government they launched the underground water should be level will be increased. The government launched many schemes. Next topic, I would like to explain the utilizations of groundwater resources of the states 22,423 MCM. The current level of utilizations of water, here the utilization means using. We are day to day life we are using the water nearly 13,558 MCM, which is about 60% of available recharge, while about 8,875 MCM nearly it will be 40%. Nearly it will be 40% is the balance of available for users. Next, third topic, water resource management. Management means how to handle the water. How to handle the water or how to use it the water. Water resource management is the activity of planning, developing, distributing and managing the optimum use of water resources. First one we need to planning, second one developing and distributing. The demand for water in Tamil Nadu is increasing at a fast rate, both due to increasing population and also due to larger per capita needs. Per capita needs means the individual usage nowadays it will be goes high. The per capita availability of water resources is just 900 cubic meter. What is the per capita usage of water? Per head 900 cubic meters, where they compare the national average of 2,200 cubic meter. Agriculture is the largest consumer of water. Compared to the man, we are consuming the water for the agriculture. The state using 75% of the state water resources. Demand from other sectors such as domestic and industries. And another areas we are consuming the water from domestic. Domestic means from the household sector, and industry. It's like a factories have been growing significantly. The state is heavily depending on monsoon rains. So our water sourcing point is monsoon rain. Since the state is entirely depends on rain for recharge its water resources, monsoon failures lead to acute water scarcity and severe drought. So it is important to save water for us and the future generation. So we need to save the water for future generation. Next, our major topic, mineral resources. The Tamil Nadu is a leading holder of country resource of vermiculite, magnetite, dunite, rutile, garnet, molybdenum and ilmenite. The state accounts for the country's 55.3% of lignite. Lignite, how many percentage we are using in our state? 55.3%, and 75% of vermiculite and 69.5 69% of 69% of dunite, 59% garnet, 52% molybdenum, and 30% for titanium mineral resources. This data it's very important for you. It's an exam point of view. Next, the important minerals are found in the state are as follows. Neyveli has the largest lignite resources because we are using the lignite nearly 55.3% in our state. Coal is also available Ramanathapuram. Oil and gas are found in the Kaveri basin. Next, all these resources, which are all districts it will be found, like that we want to see the one by one. First, iron deposits are found in Kanjamalai region in Salem districts, Kalrayan Malai regions of Thiruvannamalai district. Magnesite ores are available near Salem. Bauxite is found in Servarayan Hills, Kotagiri, Udagamandalam, Palani and Kollimalai areas. Gypsum is obtained Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Virudhunagar districts. Illuminates or rutiles are found in the sands of Kanyakumari beaches. Limestone is available in the Coimbatore districts, Kadalur, Dindigul, Kanjipuram and Karur. In our districts are also available limestone resources. And Salem and Tiruvallur districts, magnesite is obtained in Coimbatore, Dharmaburi, Karur, Namakkal, Nilgiri, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli and Vellore districts. Feldspar, quartz, copper and lead are also found in some parts of these states. Okay students, today the topic is I think it's over. Tomorrow our online class will start industry. Thank you.